Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of send files to GB app. We click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about send files to GB and we click here. In this page, then this window of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.